moments I still remember, when the world was standing still. You were light inside my darkness, you were calm inside my will. Every road I used to wander led me somewhere I don't know, till your hand became my shelter. Now there's nowhere else to go. If tomorrow fades away and the stars forget to shine, I would still be right beside you. You're forever, you are mine. I will love you for forever, through the seasons, through the storm. When the world grows tired and older, you'll be where my heart is warm. Every breath and every heartbeat, every promise I hold true. If forever has a meaning, it begins and ends with you. When the nights are filled with silence and the sky begins to fall, you're the whisper in my weakness, you're the answer to it all. Every dream I ever prayed for found its home inside your eyes. You're the reason I believe now love was never just disguise. If the sun refused to rise and the oceans turned to gray, I will stand and fight beside you. Love will always find its way. I will love you for forever, through the seasons, through the storm. When the world grows tired and older, you'll be where my heart is warm. Every breath and every heartbeat, every promise I hold true. If forever has a meaning, it begins and ends with you. Even time can still this feeling, it was written in the sky. Every tear and every healing, let me hear no asking why. When my strength is slowly fading and my hands go weak and worn, you'll still be my only answer. You'll still be my only hope. I will love you for forever, past the shadows, past the pain, through the laughter and the heartache, through the sunshine and the rain. When my final breath is calling and this life is almost through, if forever lasts beyond this, I'll still be in love with you. If forever has a meaning, it will always